Hey guys, this is Fran. Welcome back to my channel. This video will be on Extender GunPla kit from Bandai, Gundam Barbatos Lupus. One of the better kit from the Extender. I really liked Barbatos and the Extender articulation of the Barbatos, so I built the Barbatos and Barbatos Lupus. I have most of the HE variants of the Barbatos, and maybe I can showcase that in the future. If you think of it, I never actually get to finish the anime for Iron Blood Orphan. Maybe I should definitely find a chance to do that. This may be one of the last kit I'm going to do for EX Standard. I think the kit is a little bit plain. Not all the articulation is good. So maybe I'll do a Win 01, which just came out recently. I don't know. We'll see. So recently I've been thinking about interesting way to present my videos instead of just doing like a little vlog. Maybe having a character to introduce them, or maybe show my face to kind of explain them. I'm trying to lose some weight and maybe get a good looking glasses so I fit into a video seamlessly. Recently I ran into some Pokemon plastic model. I call them GunPla, made by Bandai. I'll start to initiate some project on those, so stay tuned. Alright, enough talks, let's get back to the video. Enjoy the build.